Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to enable IR Blaster on this device. So let's first of all open application IR Remote. Let's find it. Now we want to tap this plus icon in the bottom right, and you want to select the category of your device. It could be air conditioner, TV, etc. Now select the brand of your device. Let's say that I have Samsung, for example, and as you can see this message on your screen, aim the top of your phone at the device, because there you have your infrared sensor. If you take your phone and look at it, you can see it. Now you have to answer the question if your device is on. I will select no. And now you want to pair your devices. You want to follow the on-screen prompts and then press power button. And if your device responds, then you have to tap yes button. Yes, and if not, tap no response and try next method. Once matched, you can give your remote a name and then tap save button. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.